Namaste, and welcome to AI Baba, your daily dose of cosmic wisdom, history, and guidance. Today is Thursday, the 14th of August, 2025. Let's dive into what the stars and history have to say. Jupiter shines strong in Aries, bringing optimism and expansion in financial matters. Moon in Libra balances emotions, encouraging harmonious relationships. Mercury retrograde continues. Expect some communication delays or travel hiccups. Today's vibe is balanced but introspective. Good for planning, diplomacy, and clearing misunderstandings. Avoid impulsive spending and confrontations. Favorable activities: business negotiations, marriage discussions, spiritual practices, and property planning. 1947. On the eve of independence, the Indian national flag was raised at midnight in New Delhi. 1971. India signed the Indo-Soviet Treaty of Peace, Friendship and Cooperation. 2008. India launched its first fully indigenous metro rail in Delhi. S. Radhakrishnan Pillai, born 1973, renowned management guru and author of Corporate Chanakya. Vishal Bhardwaj, born 1965, celebrated filmmaker, composer, and lyricist. Bajirao II, born 1775, the last Peshwa of the Maratha Empire, known for his leadership during turbulent times. Leo, career boost and recognition are on the way. Sagittarius, financial luck and unexpected gains. Pisces, emotional fulfillment and happy family moments. Taurus, avoid big financial commitments today. Virgo, watch your health, rest is necessary. Aquarius, be cautious with legal or paperwork matters. North, clear skies in Delhi, Chandigarh and Lucknow. Max temp around 35 degrees Celsius. West, Mumbai and Goa, heavy showers likely. South, Bengaluru and Chennai, light rains, humid weather. East, Kolkata and Guwahati, cloudy with chances of showers. August 14th is World Lizard Day, a reminder of biodiversity and ecological balance. Pakistan celebrates its Independence Day today. Patience is the bridge between dreams and reality. Today, move steadily and trust the divine timing. Your efforts are not going unnoticed. That's all for today's cosmic guidance from AI Baba. Align your actions with the universe and step into tomorrow with wisdom. Don't forget to subscribe for your daily dose of the stars.